Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank to Walter and Erwin that they invited me to here. By the way, I didn't prepare some special presentation for today. That's why I apologize by myself. But I'm going to tell you a few words about our university, about one research experiment, fertilizer experiment we carried out a few years ago, and about one international educational project we work now about it. Our university, Agriculture University, is situated in which is I should put this one. Okay, in Plovdiv. Our university is comparatively small university. The number of students are about 3,000. Unfortunately, in the recent years, the number of students is decreased. The university has 4 faculties: agronomy faculty, horticultural faculty, plant protection faculty, and agricultural economics faculty. Our department, Agrochemistry, the name of department is Agrochemistry and Soil Science, belongs to agronomy department. Now the university is situated here. Plovdiv is situated in south part of Bulgaria. We have one long mountain here, Staropolina mountain, which divides Bulgaria in 2 parts: North Bulgaria and South Bulgaria. In the recent, few years ago, we worked on one big research project which studied the effect of fertilization on main agricultural crops in Bulgaria. The project was financed by research institute from United States. 2 organizations in Bulgaria were included in this project, our university and Research Institute of Soil Science, which is situated in Sofia. We conducted 26 field experiments with the main crops grown in Bulgaria. For instance, for field crops, we have 2 places in South Bulgaria where we conducted field experiment near Pomorie and near Stara Zagora, and 2 places in North Bulgaria, in Veliko Târnovo and here in the Dobruja region. About field crops, they were grown in crop rotation. They included wheat, maize, barley, and sunflower, and sometimes rapeseed. Other main crops which were grown, they were permanent crops. We studied the effect of fertilization on peaches. The most agroclimatic regions for growing of peaches are here near Sliven region, and here it is not have seen here, but somewhere here in southwest Bulgaria. We studied grapes in Pomorie again, and here in this region, wine, grapes for wine, not table grapes. We studied apricots. Apricots in Bulgaria are grown near Danube river. Like in Austria, I have seen last year that here in Vahal Valley is the main producer of apricots. The same in Bulgaria, here is the most suitable place for growing of apricots. Another crops, vegetable crops, we studied again in this region and here in North Bulgaria. Potatoes, the best regions for growing of potatoes are here in mountainous regions of Smolensk and again in North Bulgaria. The most important is that in every of these experiments we applied the same design of experiment. We include control, of course, nitrogen application, phosphorus application, potassium application, and combination of these fertilizers, NP, and nitrogen and potassium, nitrogen and phosphorus, phosphorus and potassium, and finally the three nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The fertilizer rates were different depending on the needs of the crop, of the reserves of available nutrients into the soil, but we receive huge amount of data working of this project, and the most important result of this project is on the base of the results we received and on the base of archive of a review of experiments which were led before this experiment, we published one textbook which is distributed free of charge to farmers and advisors and other stakeholders which dealing with fertilization of crops. In these textbooks, we describe how they can manage application of fertilizers for field crops, permanent crops, and vegetables. This is the huge project our university was involved. And now a few words about international project, educational project I work now. This is Erasmus project. This is the name of the project is Erasmus Mundus Master Course in Soil Science. In consortium of this project, 4 universities. Coordinator is university from Samsun, Turkey. Samsun is town situated in the Black Sea coast, north of the Turkey. Plovdiv University, Krakow University from Poland, and one university from Jordan. This is the students study 2 years. First years they study different subjects connected to soil science and mineral nutrition of plants in Turkey, Bulgaria, and Poland. In the second year, they are distributed among consortiums universities, and they do their master thesis. By the way, in the middle between first and the second year of their education, students can go for internships during the summer breaks in different countries in Europe. At the moment, two of our students have internship here in Boku University. And I would like to ask you if somebody of you have possibility to accept students for internship for the next summer, please inform me, and I will ask our students if they would like to come to you. They can go for internship not only in the research institute, they also can go to work in the farms. That's why the farmers who are here also can accept some students for internship, if they can, of course. And that's all I would like to shortly present you. And thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much.
By the way, the Plovdiv is the most beautiful town in Bulgaria, and you are invited to come to Plovdiv. You are great. Yes. Walter.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ivan, for coming, for following our invitation to come here. As we also didn't know each other actually before, it was through this Erasmus project that we came in contact. I found it very interesting that you talked about, I think it's long-term field experiments.
Yes, this is 4 years experiment. It was 4 years.
4 years, yeah. Do you also archive samples, soil samples, and
yes, of course. We analyze the samples before starting of the experiments, and after the end of the experiment, we analyze the available nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So pH changes.
Because such experiments, especially if you have archived soil and potentially also plant crop samples, they might also be of quite some interest for calibrating soil methods of assessing available nutrients in soil, for instance.
Yes.
So maybe this also opens collaboration with other groups. We did some of that also in the past with Austrian experiment or with a Swedish long-term experiment, calibrating not only traditional methods, extraction methods, but also new methods that might be of interest for future application.
Okay.
Perhaps we can talk about that.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.